5 seconds. Start. When we leave for office in the morning and return in the evening, we can see the dullness on the face like never before. It is the direct effect of pollution. When we travel in buses or cars, the emissions from automobiles get collected in the atmosphere and engage in a chain reaction. We can see thick and black fumes coming out of vehicles that create dirt around the place, and one finds it difficult to even breathe in such a hazardous environment. We cut down trees to make way for new building constructions and take away the greenery in our place. Pollution is everywhere, especially in big cities. Pollution levels in cities are so high that people carry the risk of infections, problems, eye disorders, and other common allergies. Deadly diseases occur due to the damaging effects of pollutants in the sky. The water that we drink is polluted. The food that we eat consists of chemicals, and the air that we breathe is highly polluted. So, there is no place where we can breathe fresh air. Early morning walks are known to be the best because the pollution levels at that time are relatively less compared to when the day passes. Children are taught about acid rain, pollution, and the need for conservation of nature at a very young age. That indicates the alarming rise of pollution over the years, and there is definitely a need to curb practices of spreading pollution in our area. The world that we live in is changing fast, but selfish needs of human beings have shown a very bad impact on the environment. It is sure that the country is developing rapidly, but development comes at a very heavy price. Industrialization and urbanization have created bad effects on the environment, and the changes are totally irreversible. Fossil fuels are non renewable resources, therefore, they should be utilized with care. Precautions must be taken to reduce pollution so that hazards like acid rain do not occur in nature. We should save our trees and reduce pollution for a greener tomorrow. When rainfall becomes acidic in nature, it is called acid rain. It is harmful to nature and the environment and can have disastrous effects on the atmosphere. Let us first look into the importance of rainfall. Rainfall is essential to nature as water is essential to human beings and animals. Without rains, rivers and lakes would cease to exist. When there are no rivers around us or having very poor water storage in them, we will face shortage of electricity. When rivers dry up on account of little or no rainfall, there will be no agriculture. When there is no irrigation for the fields, the crops dry up and land turn barren without water. Drinking water would become a scarcity if we do not have rains. Production of electricity would become a major issue at due to shortage of water. As indicated, every action in nature is linked with another reaction. Rainfall is definitely required treasury for nature because without rainfall, life does not seem to exist. Rainfall is the main source of water for rivers, lakes, and oceans. Rainfall reduces when forests are burnt or cut down. Rainfall is essential for all forms of life. Thus, we know the importance of rainfall. There are issues with this rainfall as well. When the pollutants mix with rainfall, it becomes acidic. The normal rainwater itself is said to be quite acidic. Burning of fossil fuels, namely coal, oil, and natural gas, led to the release of several compounds that create acid rain. There is no curb on the use of petroleum products such as petrol and diesel, and the unplanned use of wastage of these resources has led to a situation where all the emissions are getting accumulated in the sky. The pollutants released from the various vehicle emissions, industrial effluents, industrial emissions, etc., create enough pollution, and all these pollutants get accumulated in the atmosphere. Chain reactions between various pollutants happen, and these create a harmful mixture of chemical in the sky. They react with rainwater and result in an acid rain. Acid rain has very damaging effects on the environment. It is known to cause skin diseases and infections. One cannot be aware of the bad effects of the rain because it seems perfectly normal at sight, but in reality it is combination of deadly mixtures. Acid rain creates destruction to crops, farmlands turn into wastelands and not fit for cultivation. When acid rain happens, seasons are affected, and the resulting effects can be seen on the changes in the ecosystem. Man suffers from plenty of health problems. These factors create further problems in the environment, and it became even more difficult to protect ourselves from various infections. We can control the side effects of acid rain by taking measures to stop acid rain. We can burn less fossil fuels and control emissions to the atmosphere. Industrial emissions should be controlled to reduce air pollution and control harmful radiations and emissions from reaching the layers of the sky. Smog is a combination of smoke and fog. It is known to create lung diseases in human beings and is a direct side effect of acid rain. When we travel very early in the morning, we can see that the visibility is very poor. That happens because of a thick layer of fog at open areas. Eyes turn red due to smog. They are harmful in nature. They are known to cause skin diseases. The ministries of central government are working on reducing the effects of acid rain and taking appropriate measures to curb acid rain. It is every person's duty to curb the use of fossil fuels, especially petroleum, to save a greener future for the next generation. What used to be green has now turned into a big concrete jungle. Forests are cut down to make way for cities, and it is bringing down the balance in the ecosystem.